Hey everyone, this is the first topic of Adobe Premiere Pro full course. In this, we will make a mini intro by using of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro installed, then you can download it from Adobe official website. If you want to download it for business purpose, it will cost you 2300 rupees per month, and if you are a student or teacher, it will cost you 1596 rupees per month. So, let's start without wasting any time. Let's launch the Premiere Pro. You can see that I already pin Adobe Premiere Pro in my taskbar. You can also open this from Start menu. Here you can also see all of these are Adobe software, and we will talk about these in other courses. So let's launch the Adobe Premiere Pro. In this episode, we will make a small video, so you can see that this window is pop up before entering the Adobe Premiere Pro. We can see the recent projects. Recent projects are all the saved old project that we have done before. You can see all my old projects are here. I think you will see black space here till now. So go to the new project and make new project. We can name it Introduction. After naming that, then hit the OK button below. So this is the layout of our Premiere Pro. This is our editing layout. This is our effect control. And this is our project media. We will import all the video here so that we can use it and also organize all of the video here. First of all, if you want to import any video in Premiere Pro, drag and drop is the simplest method to import any video. Let's take an example. This is the video in the folder. So if you want to import the video in the Premiere Pro, just the video toward the project media and copy it. It also highlighting copy, you can see that. After dropping it automatically import the video. Now if you click on the video, you can see the source video. If I want to edit the video, here we can't edit the video, it just added in the project media. We need this video in the sequence or timeline. For making the sequence, the simple method is just drag the video and drop it here. By this the video will add in the timeline and it will automatically make the sequence. You can also create a sequence simply by drag the media on new item icon below. You can see that our video is now in the timeline. Now this is the preview window. Here we can see what's going in the video. Select the effects control option to make editing easier. You can adjust the scaling of our timeline by dragging these points. Now we will make a small video. In that we add a small fade in the starting of the video and small fade at the ending of the video. And in the middle we put context. For adding fade in the video, just click on the video clip in the timeline. You can see that clip is not selected, so if you want to use the effect control, then you have to select the clip in the timeline. You can see the effect control panel now, and now you can adjust the motion, opacity, and basically all the effects in this panel. So we are using a simple effect. What we'll be doing is make a keyframe in the opacity. By this you can see drag the video, and you can choose where you want to make keyframe. It's on 0 second. So we will make a keyframe here. Here you can see the keyframe option is already clicked. You need to select the stopwatch icon to select the keyframe option. Remember one thing, if you click on this icon again, then your all of the keyframes will be deleted. It's very helpful to make editing easier. You can see that here is the keyframe on 100% opacity, so bring it down to 0%. After that, what we will do is that we make another keyframe after 8 seconds. We just drag our playhead to the right side and also use the timeline scaling option. No, it will be so long, so we just go to only 1 second. After that, we make another keyframe. Simply click on this icon to make keyframes. By this option, you can add keyframes multiple times and bring opacity up to 100%. Now you can see that a simple fade is created in the starting of the video and is looking great also. Like this we make another fade. We just go at the end of the clip and make another keyframe and keep the opacity at 100%. Then after 1 second make another keyframe and down it to 0%. Now you can see that our video is now ending with a fade. You can see the keyframe in this workspace. So now we created our video fades. Now it starts and ends with a fade. Now if you want to make a cut in the video, at the middle of the video, if you want to make a cut, what can we do is just press C. By pressing C, you can see that our mouse cursor changed to as razor tool. We can make cut with this tool. Here I am making 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts in the clip. By this our clip is chopped into pieces where we make our cut. This is how you can use the razor tool. I am just undo these cuts because I don't need this. Now you can see that our fade is completed and now we have to add a text in the video. For adding text just press T and in the video preview panel click anywhere where you want to put the text. After clicking you can see the red box. In that box you can type text here. I'm typing friends. Now we have written friends and if you want to increase the size, click on the selection tool and just increase the size of the text by stretching it. You can also align the text by dragging options simply. Now in this graphical pink tab is your friend's text layer in your timeline. Now if you want to reduce the time size of the text, first method is to just grab the end and drag it. And a longer method is to press C and chop it where you want and clear the part that you doesn't want in your video. Now you can see that our simple video is created. Here you can see our video start with a simple fade. And here we can also see there are added text friends in the middle of video and then it just also ended with a simple fade. Now I will just tell you a different thing that replaced the longer fade method. You can see the effects tab here, just press it and then in effect search bar need to type cross dissolve. Or you can also find it under the video transitions tab. You just have to grab the effect and drop it at the end of the clip. By this it will create the fade in the end of the video. By using this method, you don't need to work on keyframes. You just create a fade effect easily. As same you can drop the effect in the starting of the video. You can adjust the timing of the effect by select the effect and dragging the effect as per need. If you are satisfied with this effect, then you can also use the effect further. This is how you can create a simple video like this. This is it for this topic. Stay tuned with us. We will discuss about how you can create a project in the next topic. Hey everyone, now we will jump into the basic section on your course. In this topic, we will learn about how you can create a project. After opening the Premiere Pro, in the left side of tab you can see the new project. Just click on it. Now you can see a new tab pops up. Here you can name the project. Let's just name it sample project. In this pop-up window, we got multiple options to choose, but this time we don't have to change the other stuff in this. Select the browse option. By this option, you can browse and change the save location of your project. So I am browsing this project and saved it in my folder as Premiere Pro course. Now you can see the Premiere Pro workspace. Here is all the stuff like learning, editing, effect, etc. that we will learn in the future episodes. We are just talking about the new project creation in this episode. Premiere Pro allows us to create multiple projects at a time. In this panel, we will import our media like audios, videos, and images in it. For creating another project, we just have to go on the Files tab, then select New. After that, hit Project, and the shortcut is Ctrl+, Alt+N. We can just name it to Sample Project 2. can see that there are two projects are created here, sample project 1 and 2. This is how you can create a project in Premiere Pro. This is it for this topic. We will discuss about layouts in the next topic. Hey everyone, in this topic, I will give you the brief introduction of layout in Premiere Pro. You can see that this is the workspace of Adobe Premiere Pro. In the last video, we have created a project and I already told you how to make multiple projects in Premiere Pro. We just have to go on the Files tab, then select New. After that, hit Project, give a name, then hit the OK button. Here you can see that your project is created. Now I will tell you about the layout of Premiere Pro. You can see these tabs over there: Learning, Assembly, Editing, Color, Effect, Audio, Graphics, Captions, and Library. These are some different tabs over there. First of all, let's go in the Editing tab. In this tab, we get a complete editing layout to make editing easier. This is the timeline. In this, you can stack up your media and edit it here in this panel. You have the option to manage your audios and videos. To avoid the overlap type problem, you can see the image. Like this, you can stack up the media to create a promising video. This is all about the timeline. Drop media here to create a sequence. There is no sequence till now in the timeline. Now here you can import your videos. And after importing the video, you can drag it to the timeline. In the above right side, here is the Preview tab. Over there you can see what's happening in the video here. And this is the source control. You can check here which of the clip is selected and also choose the part of the clip that you want to see in your timeline. And this is the effect controls. Here you can control your effects and keyframes, etc. This is the audio clip mixer. Here you can mixes the audios of the clip. And this is metadata. For me, metadata and audio mixer is less used Premiere Pro, but it can be useful in the other some cases. Effect control is basically I use the most in the software. Now in the Assembly tab, in this tab, it has slightly bigger area. To assemble your video clips, you can see the big project media here. And you can manage all the clips here in the bigger space. Now this is the Learning tab. Basically, if you want to get some sample files for editing, then you can get it from here. Adobe just helps some newcomers in this tab. After that, this is the Color tab. Here you can see many windows to do color grade in your clips and make your videos look like cinematic. Now this is the Effect tab. By the name itself, it tells that you can apply effects in this tab. These are the effect library. In this, these are the presets: Lumetri presets, audio effects, audio transitions, video effects, video transitions, and more. In video effects, we have the color correction and many more effects that we can use in further videos. Next tab is our Audio tab. Here you can mixes the audios. And here you can see many presets. Actually, I prefer using your own audio. But you can use these presets also. Now this is the Graphics tab. This is basically for text and its transitions. You can see that there are so many types presets are here and literally so many presets you can use in your projects. Here are some news channels layouts and many more you can use in this, and you can also adjust and edit text in this tab we will discuss in the future topic. Caption is the new tab added in the Premiere Pro. You can add caption in your video in this tab. You can also edit the text, color, background, and the timing. Now in the Libraries tab, whatever you save in the Libraries panel becomes available for use across Premiere Pro projects that you are working on. Libraries are synced to Creative Cloud. Mainly we will work on editing, color, effects, and graphics. These are mostly used by us in the software in that we spend of our time. Here you can see in this Effect tab, it is longer to apply effects from here. If you want to make it easier, you can go on the editing tab and here you can see the effects. It's closer to apply the effects from here. I never use effects from the main effect panel. I just use it from here. It is way more easier to use it from here. Now here is our file tab. In this we basically save and create new projects and many more things we will discuss in next video. In edit, there are preferences. It will also be covered in the future topic. And in clip, what we do in the clip, you can also control it. From effect control, in sequence you can change the sequence of the video. I will tell you a thing that helps you a lot is go to Windows Workspace and reset to saved layout, Windows Workspace reset. This is very useful when you messed up your layout. Like this. If you messed up your layout, can fix it with Windows Workspace reset to saved layout. Here you can see that your workspace is fixed. This is all about the layouts of the Adobe Premiere Pro. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will discuss about how to import and organizing media in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, in this topic we will talk about the importance of importing and organizing media. If you want to import your media, I have already told that in previous episodes, fast grab and drop method is the fastest method. So now we will do it again. Here is the project media now. We have to import our video in project media tab. Simply these are the videos that I want to import in project media tab. This is the Premiere Pro auto save option files. It will automatically save the project after some seconds so that if some cases your software get crashed, then you can open that files again without losing something. These are our saved projects of Adobe Premiere Pro and these are the videos for importing process. I just select them all and drag it to the project media and drop it here. After some seconds, it will shoot up here 1, 2, 3 videos. For organizing the stuff, what we will do is, if these videos are related to one specific like these 3 video are happy friendship video, then you can put it in a different folder. For making folder, need to create new bin. Let's name the folder sample and if you want to move to the folder, you just have to select them all and move it to the folder and then our video moved to the sample folder. So this is how you can organize and import video in Adobe Premiere Pro and this is the easiest method to import and organize the media. I will also tell you a longer method that you probably less use is just go to File, here select Import from drop down menu and then you can select the videos from your desired system location that you want to import. Here is a video and after selecting the videos, you can just press the open option. In my case, I don't need video double, so I just throw it in the clear section. This is how you can import the media in Premiere Pro. And if you want the video in the timeline, just grab the videos and drop it to the timeline. By this, all of the videos will appear in the timeline. This is it for this topic. We will discuss how to make sequence in the next topic. Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in the previous topic, we see that how you can import and organize the media in Premiere Pro. Now we will talk about sequence. Here you can see that drag the media in timeline to create a sequence easily. You can also see a long method to create the sequence. Just go to Files, then select New. After that, click on Sequence. And here you have the option to choose any sequence from them as per your needs. But in Premiere Pro, you can make sequence in very short method, where Premiere Pro automatically make the sequence. This sequence is created, so I am deleting this sequence. So for creating sequence, in a simple way, you just have to grab the video and drop it on new item. By this it automatically create a sequence. It will copy the sequence of the video that you dragged to the timeline. Now to check the sequence or changing the sequence, just go to Sequence on the top menu bar, then select the Sequence Settings from drop-down. Now you can see the resolution of the video here. Here you can also see the video frame size. So this is about how you can create a sequence and check your sequence resolution. Now if your video resolution is high and you want a lower sequence, then what we have to do is just go to Sequence on the top menu bar, then select the Sequence Settings from drop-down. Now you can see the resolution of the video here. Now you can change the both horizontal or vertical video frame sizes as per your requirement. Now after applying in 100% scale, it zooms in the preview window just down the scale. Now it fully covers the preview window in just 50% scale. This is how you can change the sequence and make the sequence. In the next topic, we will talk about these tools and how we can use them. So jump into the next topic. Hey everyone, in this episode, we will talk about important tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. So these all are the tools that we used most of times in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first one is Selection Tool. So firstly, we will talk about the uses of Selection Tool. By Selection Tool, we just select the all media or particular media whom present in the timeline. If I want to choose the video for, and it will appear in the source panel. After that you can control the effects of that particular clip. And here you can see that I can control the effects like rotation, scaling, so you can control these effects as per your needs. And if you want to select both of the clips, then hold the left mouse button and drag it to both of the clip. So this is the work of the Selection Tool, and the shortcut key of the Selection Tool is V. Now I just grab the pen tool, and if I want to switch it up to Selection Tool by pressing V, and here you can see that Selection Tool will be appear. Now the second tool is Track Select Forward Tool. By this tool, you can select the all forward clips of the arrow will be selected. I will throw some more clips so that you can understand easily. Now you can see that arrows are pointed to forward side, so all the clips forward the arrows will be selected by this tool. You can see that when I click here, the forward clips are selected. Wherever you click it, it will select the forward part of the arrows. Like this, you can also change it to the backwards arrow. After change to select backwards, now it will select all of the backwards clip of the timeline. Simply wherever you click, the backwards clips are selected in the timeline. It will be useful when we have 100 of clips in the timeline. Now this is our Ripple Edit tool. This tool is used to short the videos without leaving any gaps in the clips. Basically, if you don't want to leave space between the clips, then we will use Ripple Edit tool when we use the razor tool and cut the clip. It will leave some space, but by the Ripple Edit tool, it can't leave space. Here I am using Ripple tool. If I need you cut the clip, just drag it that you don't want. This you can use the Ripple tool. Now we have our razor tool. We already know about the razor tool because I tell previously the shortcut key of the razor tool is C. By this tool, you can make the cuts in the clips. This is how you can make the cuts in the clip and make the video interesting. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have put so many cuts in this clip. Now this is Slip tool. The purpose of the Slip tool is to let you simultaneously change the in and out points of a clip within your timeline. You can make such an adjustment while leaving the time span between those points constant. Now this is Pen tool. Pen tool is basically used for masking. Here I am create a mask around this mobile and it will create a gray object. Now you can adjust the shape as you want. You can also use pen tool in opacity. By this tool, you can mask out the objects from the video. Like here is the clip and I want to mask out head of this person. I just make mask by the pen tool like this. You can see that I also mask out the lady face from the video, and then you can adjust the feathers and other stuff from Effect Controls panel as per your needs. Now here is the hand tool. Mainly it used when our scale of the video preview is high. I am scaling up this to 150%. And then I can adjust the video by grabbing it. You can adjust the position by grabbing it. Basically, this is the use of hand tool. Now this is called type tool. By type tool, you can put texts in the video after clicking on the video's preview panel. Then you get a red box. Here you can type anything in the video, like I am typing tools. And this is all about the text tool. You can also change the position of the text and align it as per your need. So these all are our important tools in the Premiere Pro. This is selection tool and its shortcut is V. Then this is razor tool and its shortcut is C. And this one is type tool and its shortcut is T. These are the most using tool by us. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will know about shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, in this video, we will talk about some important shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. All of the shortcuts are very useful in this software. It can save a lot of time for you. So first one is Ctrl+S to save the project. You can use it frequently after 1 minute because somehow its auto save doesn't work, or you can save the project like this. So if software crashes, then your work doesn't lost. So Ctrl+S is first and most used shortcut. Now if you want to copy a clip, then you can just press Ctrl+C and drag the cursor where you want to paste the clip. After that press Ctrl+V, so you can just copy your clip like this. And if you want to copy your clip in the upper tab of clips, then just deselect the V1 here. If you select the V1, then the V1 tab will be selected. So deselect the V1 and select the V2. Then when you paste the clips, it will be pasted on V2. Then if I select the V3, it will paste on V3. So this is how you can copy the clips. I am just clearing the copied clip. Now, there is also another way to duplicate the clips by just holding Alt. Just hold the Alt and select the clip that you want to duplicate. And then just drag the clip to upper side. Simple, you just have to drag and drop it above the clip. This is the simple method. As same, if you want to drag this clip here, you can also do it. Simply you just have to hold Alt and drag, then drop the clip that you want. Now I am clearing all the duplicate clips from timeline. We know that selection tool shortcut is V. If I want to select razor tool, I just have to press C. Now if I want to select the selection tool again, just press V. Now just press T is for the text and then you write text on the video. I am deleting this because I don't need this text layer. Now if you want to use pen tool, just press T. You can use this tool so much in future if want to make masking. This is slip tool, shortcut is Y. This is ripple edit tool, its shortcut is B. And this is track select forward tool, its shortcut is A. Basically we use selection and razor tool a lot and text, so these all are the important shortcuts that use in Premiere Pro. So our basic section is completed. Now we will jump into the next section, that is editing section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.